Hello, my name is Cameron McKeon. Today is June 5th, 2025. About 78 degrees out right now. And today I will be attempting to repair this shingle right here. As you can see, we have some wind damage from some of the recent storms we've had up here in Easton. So I'm gonna set my camera right here. See that? First thing I'm gonna do is just unseal the shingles. This is just a standard putty knife. So what I'm gonna do first is just find my scope of work. There it is. So, scope of work. So now I'm just gonna unseal the rest of these shingles so that we can do this real nice and easy. Here's my roof snake. To unseal the nails. Yeah, right there. Send that to ITEL. It's all right. Sorry, just getting a little constricting up here. Lastly, just gonna take my hammer and nail these shingles back in. Okay, so I mean, as you can see, so, just get this nice and close. So after that repairs, I mean, you got damaged shingle here, damaged shingle there. I'm just lightly rubbing my hand over these. Unfortunately, this repair has failed. We got damage here, here. So yeah, in an attempt to repair one shingle, we damaged the shingles above it. So what this will do is create a cascading effect until we're replacing the entire roof. So in my professional opinion, this roof will need to be fully replaced, not repaired. I did want to show you some other parts of this roof real quick. Just bear with me for a second here. So coming over here, I mean, this is a previous repair. You can see the damage that has happened since then. Over here, same deal, just repairs with damage around them. This roof is in need of a full replacement. Again, just more damage right down here, all on previous repairs. So thank you for watching my repair video. Hope you have a good day. And yeah, it's time to replace this roof.